So here's how you can add phone number on Google Meet on your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, you need to go to your Gmail account like this. You can go with the Google and simply tap on the profile icon, and then you will find the manage your Google account option. Simply tap on that. Now once you have done to here, you need to go with the personal info. Then scroll it down and you will probably find this option, phone number. So tap on the phone. Now as you can see, we got add now option. So tap on the add now. All right, now you can add your phone number like this. Let me just add mine. There you go. And then it will get the phone number code into your mobile phone, and simply you are done. So that's how you can add phone number to Google Meet on your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.